Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to create Zoom account in mobile. So let's begin our video. First of all, open my Zoom application and then at the last option I can find sign in. So simply click on it. Right now there have some option for continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook. Which one you want, you can select any one. So I select continue with Google. So here you can see it's loading, and right now I select my email ID. And after select, I just need to wait couple of seconds for open it. So you just need to type your date of birth on here for verify it. So I simply type it and then select continue and select for education, and you can select any option from here, then select create account. And here you can see it's loading and you just need to wait. Well done. Right now continue. And you can type everything on here. Max, college, state address, 19 Mar, city, zip code, postal, everything. If you want, you can select it. And then select continue. Right now select go to my account, and here you can see allow this space to open Zoom. Okay, select OK, and here you can see it's opening Zoom. So select not now, not now, get a start, and that's it guys. Here you can see Zoom account already created. So this is the way for create a Zoom account in your mobile phone. So I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.